Well, Mr. Schramm, I'm so glad you asked. There is quite a few components that need to be cleaned in the fireplace to keep it functioning properly. I'm actually cleaning the flame sensor right now, or the thermocouple. So some fireplaces, standing pilot, meaning you have to turn the dial, push the button in, and ignite it yourself, and then you can leave it. That's a standing pilot. This is an electronic ignition fireplace, so all the buttons do the work for you. You either come down to the switch, turn it on manually, but anyway, the biggest things, dirty flame sensor, it will not start that pilot light or keep it. Can't turn on your fireplace without it. Other things is if you have a wall switch, those tend to go bad over a couple years. Pretty simple. The most common sign of that is when you turn on the switch and the fireplace like doesn't come on, or you think it's trying, and then you have to off on, and then it finally comes on. That just tells you there's an intermittent connection there, so it's a bad switch. The other thing is always going to be changing the batteries inside of these modules. Kind of like when you do your smoke alarms, I recommend checking, or your thermostat, just anytime you have a device like this with batteries, I always recommend once a year change them. I guess it depends on how often you use the fireplace as well. If you're not using it consistently all year, you don't need to replace it. Maybe every couple years, but regardless, those are kind of the three biggest things I've seen that fail fireplaces.
What role do the batteries have in the function?
So this little module, sometimes they're hardwired directly into the power, but you have off, remote, and on. Typically, if you leave it in a remote, then you can just use your remote. That's where the batteries come in. If this receiver doesn't have fresh batteries, or the remote doesn't, what I said about the light switch, intermittent connection, it's the same thing. You'd be sitting there trying to change the channel, and it's just not doing it. So otherwise, that's really the only thing that batteries have to do with it.
So are there batteries in that thing right there?
And this, yes. Is it fun? Is it fun to take out and get to? No.